हेलो नॉलेज सीकर्स, वेलकम बैक टू द करंट नॉलेज चैनल। मैं जीनल आज आपके साथ डिस्कस करूंगी 15 मई से जुड़े करंट अफेयर्स के पॉइंट्स। सभी पॉइंट्स की पीडीएफ फाइल आप हमारे वेबसाइट से डाउनलोड कर सकते हैं। वेबसाइट का लिंक डिस्क्रिप्शन में दिया गया है। सो लेट्स बिगिन विथ क्वेश्चन 1। विच प्लेस इज इंडिया रैंक्ड बाय द वर्ल्ड इकोनॉमिक फोरम इन द ग्लोबल एनर्जी ट्रांजिशन इंडेक्स? विश्व आर्थिक मंच ने ग्लोबल एनर्जी ट्रांजिशन इंडेक्स में भारत कौन सा स्थान पर है? ऑप्शंस आर ए 71, बी 72, सी 73, डी 74, and the correct answer is option D 74. India has been ranked 74th in the Global Energy Transition Index by World Economic Forum. India has jumped two places by improving all the key parameters of economic development, energy security, and environment sustainability. India is one of the few countries in the world that has made steady progress year after year since 2015. Question 2. Which country has developed an I Feel You bracelet to ensure social distancing? किस देश ने सोशल डिस्टेंसिंग सुनिश्चित करने के लिए I Feel You ब्रेसलेट किया विकसित? Options are A. India, B. France, C. Italy, D. US. And the correct answer is option C. Italy. The Italian Institute of Technology based in Genova has developed an I Feel You bracelet for social distancing. This bracelet will help the users to follow the social distancing rules. This bracelet has been developed as a safety measuring in coronavirus lockdown, which is gradually being released. Question 3. How many million dollars has been given by the CDC of America to help the Indian government? अमेरिका के CDC ने भारत सरकार की सहायता के लिए कितने मिलियन डॉलर दिए हैं? ऑप्शंस आर ए 3.6 मिलियन, बी 3.2 मिलियन, सी 3.0 मिलियन, डी 2.6 million. And the correct answer is option A 3.6 million. The US Center for Disease Control and Prevention has funded India $3.6 million. The aim of this amount is to encourage India's response against the COVID-19 epidemic. At the same time, it will also support India's prevention, preparedness, and response activities. In addition, it will also help India in its effort to increase the capacity of laboratories of SARS-CoV-2 testing. Question 4. How many billion dollar emergency aid loan has been approved by NDB for India? एनडीबी ने भारत के लिए कितने बिलियन डॉलर के आपातकालीन सहायता ऋण को दी मंजूरी है? ऑप्शंस आर ए $1 बिलियन, बी $2.6 बिलियन, सी $3 बिलियन, and D $4 बिलियन. And the correct answer is option A $1 billion. New Development Bank, that is NDB, has sanctioned a loan of $1 billion for the Emergency Assistance Program to India. The purpose of this Emergency Assistance Program loan is to prevent the spread of COVID-19 as well as to support the effort of the Government of India to reduce the human, social, and economic losses caused by this epidemic. The NBDB has a second emergency assistance program to help its member countries to fight COVID-19. Question 5. Grammy Award winning Betty Wright has passed away. Who was she? ग्रैमी पुरस्कार जीतने वाली बेटी राइट का निधन हुआ है, वो कौन थी? ऑप्शन ए सिंगर, बी ऑथर, सी एक्टर, डी नन ऑफ दीज. एंड द करेक्ट आंसर इज option A singer. Grammy award winning soul singer Betty Wright passed away. Her original name is Bessie Regina Norris. He is an R&B, rhythm and blues singer, songwriter and background singer. She performed her best song at the age of 23, Where is the Love, and won her first Grammy Award. Question 6. Which state's chief minister has launched Hope portal to help unemployed youth? किस राज्य के मुख्यमंत्री ने बेरोजगार युवाओं की सहायता के लिए होप पोर्टल लॉन्च किया है? ऑप्शंस आर ए राजस्थान, बी हिमाचल प्रदेश, सी उत्तराखंड, डी यूपी, एंड द करेक्ट आंसर इज ऑप्शन सी उत्तराखंड. Uttarakhand Chief Minister Trivendra Singh Rawat has launched a Hope, that is Helping Out People Everywhere portal to help unemployed youth of the state get job opportunity. This portal will use to collect data of the state's reading youth as well as those who have recently returned to the state. Question 7. Who has launched the song United We Fight to fight COVID-19? COVID-19 से लड़ने के लिए यूनाइटेड वी फाइट सॉन्ग किसने लॉन्च किया? ऑप्शंस आर ए डीआरडीओ, बी एसबीआई बैंक, सी आईसीसीआर, डी दिल्ली पुलिस, एंड द करेक्ट आंसर इज ऑप्शन सी ICCR, Indian Council for Cultural Relations. A new song has been unveiled by the Indian Council of Cultural Relations titled United We Fight. The song has been released by well-known composers, musicians and singers from India to give people a message of hope to unite and fight against COVID-19. The song is a musical performance whose English lyrics were launched with Indian classical music notes and beats to enhance the feeling of Vasudeva Kutumbakar. Question 8. When will only indigenous product be sold in कैप कैंटीन? कैप की कैंटीन में केवल स्वदेशी उत्पाद कब से बेचे जाएंगे? ऑप्शंस आर ए 30 में, बी 01 में, सी 30 जून, डी 1 जुलाई, एंड द करेक्ट आंसर इज फ्रॉम 1 जून, ऑप्शन बी. The Central Armed Police Force, that is CAPF, has decided to sell only indigenous brand products in all its canteens, which will be applicable to all CAP canteen across the country from June 1, 2020. The initiative will contribute to make India self-sufficient by using indigenous product of 50 lakh families of about 10 lakh CAP personnel. Question 9. The government has announced how much special credit facility for street vendors under आत्मनिर्भर इकोनॉमिक पैकेज. सरकार ने घोषणा की है कि आत्मनिर्भर आर्थिक पैकेज के तहत स्ट्रीट वेंडर्स के लिए किस विशेष क्रेडिट सुविधा कितनी है? ऑप्शन आर ए ₹5,000 करोड़, बी ₹3,000 करोड़, सी ₹1,000 करोड़, D ₹4,000 crore, and the correct answer is option A ₹5,000 crores. The center has announced special credit facility worth ₹5,000 crore for all street vendors. There are 50 lakh street vendors who will be able to avail this special credit facility, and initial working capital worth ₹10,000 will be provided. Question 10. The center has extended the credit link subsidy scheme till when? केंद्र ने क्रेडिट लिंक सब्सिडी योजना का विस्तार कब तक किया है? ऑप्शंस आर ए दिसंबर 2020, बी मार्च 2021, सी जनवरी 2021, डी दिसंबर 2021, and the correct answer is option A. It's option B, March 2021. The credit linked subsidy scheme, which was introduced by the government in May 2017, was initially extended till March 31st, 2020. The scheme has now been extended for one more year till March 2021. This is expected to benefit around 2.5 lakh more families and help them get affordable house. Question 11. The railway has cancelled regular passenger train service till when? रेलवे ने नियमित यात्री ट्रेन सेवाओं को कब तक रद्द कर दिया है? ऑप्शंस आर ए May 31st, B June 15th, C July 31st, D June 30th. And the correct answer is option D June 30th. Yes, the Indian Railway has cancelled regular passenger train service including mail, express, passenger and suburban services till June 30th, 2020. The railway will issue full refund for the same. Question 12. The PM CARES Fund Trust has allocated how much amount for India's fight against COVID-19 in its first installment? पीएम केयर्स फंड ट्रस्ट ने अपनी पहली किस्त में कोविड-19 के खिलाफ भारत की लड़ाई के लिए कितनी राशि आवंटित की है? ऑप्शंस आर ए 31 करोड़ 30 ऑप्शन ए ₹3100 करोड़, बी ₹2150 करोड़, ऑप्शन सी ₹2000 करोड़, ऑप्शन सी ₹1950 crores. And the correct answer is option A ₹3100 crores. Thanks for watching. Subscribe our channel for more updates. Thank you and bye bye.